Hey there, and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change the language in the Snapchat app using an Android phone. Whether you're learning a new language or want to switch to your native one, this guide will walk you through the process easily. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down and look for the option called Language, then tap on it. A list of available languages will appear. Choose the language you want to switch to by tapping on it. Finally, tap on Change to confirm and apply the new language setting. The app may restart to complete the update. That's it! You've successfully changed the language on Snapchat. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.